Hello, my name is Salam and we are the Beige Oranges.
My name is Mitri.
I'm Roy.
I'm Mark.
I'm Chang.
And we decided to do an event coordinating management system for our project this summer. We picked this project because there's a local company in Georgia that has the actual problem that we would like to solve, and it is a complex enough problem to handle within our skill set, and Roy will continue with the problem statement.
Okay. So we decided to make an event coordinating management software. The reason we decided to make this project is because there was a real-life gaming company in Atlanta that had an issue with the event coordination. So there's communication issues with the administrators, and there are issues for players in terms of their information being spread out across multiple platforms. So there's a lot of redundancy for the players in terms of where their information comes from or where it's located in different emails. And there's a lot of rework for the coordinators in terms of getting the information to the players or resending the information. And another issue was this information was stored across multiple platforms, multiple web pages, so it was hard for people to get the information they needed in one central place. So Chang is now going to talk about the solution we came up with.
So the solution we came up with was to create a web-based app to replace the app that was being used. The app that was being used was not very intuitive. All the information was spread apart. So what we're going to do is put all that information into one platform, making it easier for admins and players to find and edit information. We're also going to have features to make information easily exportable for administrative purposes. And now it's on to Dimitri to compare.
So some of the comparisons that I'm going to mention has to do a lot with the platforms that are already mentioned in this video. So the existing platform that was being mainly used is called NAC, and it was very redundant. So when the players went in to log in, they would use their email, but then if it wasn't a Gmail, they would have to enter it in multiple times. And then even if it was a Gmail, sometimes they would get locked out and say that there was an error, and because of this error, they would have to send all of their information in manually. Because of this, it was just very unreliable, and on top of it, it was spread across the 3 different platforms that we're using currently. So it's using email, using NAC, and then an admin portal. So the emails were just to send out the flights, the NAC was literally just to contain all the information for the player profiles, and then the admin portal was how they got the travel information. Because of all this, it was a lot of different places and players got very confused, sometimes information was wrong. Because of this, our one platform will actually centralize all of this and making everybody on the same page so no one ever gets confused or gets the wrong message. So now we're going to go to Mark with the closing.
So in conclusion, the event coordinating management software we're going to develop is a web-based app. It's aimed at eliminating redundancy and tedious rework in the esports coordination field. And as you can see based on the context diagram we have up on the screen, it's incredibly intuitive, easy to work with from both an admin and a user perspective. And we also think it's widely applicable to a number of different business types. So thank you so much for your time, and we'll see you in the next update.